folks, it's me again in my tiny little channel that I'm getting some viewers, not many, but you know what? I like doing this. It's fun. Get to do the weekly what's new. Before you, if you discover my channel, before you go to it, like, subscribe, help me out. I know there's a big spiel on every channel, but it helps me with the algorithm. That's all it is. Pretty sure I'll never get to that high part of the algorithm, but I do pop up. But anyway, with that said, I have a weekly what's new. What's new? Not much really. I'm trying to work. If I haven't told you 100,000 times, I'm still doing small videos on like tools and stuff. I'll be doing actual work videos soon. I am almost done. I got a roof trusses on. I'm putting a half a roof on. I might have the other half in about 2 weeks. But anyway, this weekend I'm going to put the little roof on my shed. Once the shed is somewhat buttoned up with a door and a lock on it, I'm going to take this spike, drive it over there, put it in the shed, put the little small one here, work on that. Probably going to pull both bikes out. If I get the other one started, I'm going to put them both in the shed and take the sandblaster out and use this and finish the bottom, sandblast the pieces. I have some good news. A lot of little pieces are going to have to be powder coated in January. So if this thing is, if this video pops up in January, it'll probably be, I'll have stuff been sent to powder coat. I'm basically powder coating front rack, the headlight cage, probably 2 rear racks for now, and there's not much else. There's the little inner rack, the little trunk lid, the rear rack, the headlight cage, the front rack, and I think the little support for the swing arm. And that's pretty much it. All needs to get powder coated black. I'm gonna send the red pieces out since I'm doing it the right way. Not really the right way, but since I'm gonna send it powder coat, I'm gonna get 2 of the forks powder coated, try to get them back first, and then tear off the whole front end of this thing, and try to get a couple of things back right away, and try to get this Honda running and out of here and off to some fun work. And I will attempt that little blue sheet right here. I will attempt to get some other stuff blasted and powder coated, so I can get one of these other ones as a roller. And then I'm probably gonna do a video of me, polishing an engine. I am waiting for. I keep forgetting to get vinegar because I have a tank here that needs to be vinegared. I have the tank sauce to seal the tank. Yeah, tank sauce to seal the inside of the tank. I'm gonna get the vinegar to see if it's leaking. There's a little bit of a flash rusting on the tank that I did. No big deal. It's just a little layer. The inside, I'm going to use some tank sauce, aka vinegar. Put it in. I have a box for it already. I have 4 gallons of vinegar. I don't think it's enough, or I'm gonna need lots of ballast in there to lift it up. Put it in there. But first, I'm gonna put the tank in there. Pour the vinegar in the tank, plug the bottom, and see if it leaks anywhere. If I get no leaks, if I do get a leak, I'm gonna grind it down, dump it out, and do another soldering video. You waste 5 minutes of your life. What else? I'm gonna attempt another thing I seen online is somebody pulling dents out. I seen a really neat thing. They put those little bean bags there. You know what they use for lifting doors up. You can buy it at Home Depot. You pump them up. They put cardboard in the tank and rubber, and they put the bean bag in there and just popped it out from the inside. That I'd like to try, stealing other people's ideas. If I get this bike in storage and the other one, I need to change a battery. I destroyed another battery. Yay. I bought a trickle charger, so that should work. I'm going to buy another battery. My daughter's excited to go driving around. I would like to finish this Wilton Vice and bolt to the bench. It's been here too long. I need to finish it. There's a few other things. I'm probably not going to do any more Vice respirations at the moment, even though I should, because there's some really nice ones over there that could use the paint job. But other than that, the channel is going okay. I'm still here. I'm just working on little things. I'm probably going to powder coat everything, man. Once I get the sandblaster done, there's a few things that I'm going to sandblast and probably hammer out first, because there's a couple of stump guards, engine guards. I have a few of them that need a couple little dents taken out. Not trying to make a perfect bike, but so far I got 3 front racks that need to be powder coated. I'm going to work on a muffler and get this thing and see if I can get this all cleaned up. Maybe I will do a video of me cleaning this junkyard. It's pretty boring. Other than that, I'm just hacking around. I have another little project. Oh yeah, I have another little project I'm going to do at our new house. I'm making a log bench, and the log's this thick, about 6-7 inches. So I'm gonna make a little router sled, route it out, try to connect the bottom logs to it, maybe scribe it. And I just want to get it done. I brought it in so it'll dry out. It's been sitting on the lawn for a year. I have another one I'm going to do, so I'm going to do 2 of them. I have a third log sitting out there. I think my brother burned all the legs for it, but I'm going to take the third one, try to make 3, one for each of my kids. With that said, I have a whole lot of tool videos. I've been buying other tools because, I'm a tool whore and I like tools. And I'm just excited to get that ATC 200 running because I want to drive it. It just looks like fun. So it's sitting out there. The engine's kind of covered. It's in pretty good shape. Another to give it 2 weeks. I'll get that done. Oh. So anyway, if you're still here, still follow my channel, thanks for watching. Toodles.